Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can download Tonhub wallet on your Android device. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. First of all, what you need to do is go to Play Store. Then go to the search which you can see on the bottom right hand corner and then search for Tonhub. You can see Tonhub, Tone Wallet. Go ahead and click on it and click install. Talking about Tonhub, just go ahead and click on about this app and you will learn about this app. So it is a crypto wallet for Tone coin. Send, receive, store or stake Tone coin on the Tone blockchain. No registration or personal information is required to get started, and it is compatible with all existing Tone wallets. Tone is a network designed for speed and throughput. Fees are usually significantly lower than any other blockchains and transactions get confirmed in a matter of seconds. So you can see that this is a Tone wallet app. You can go ahead and download Tonhub and start doing business using Tone wallet. I hope this video about how you can download and install Tonhub was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.